Hey everyone, okay, so today I'm going to be showing you how to get really long eyelashes without false eyelashes or anything scary. Now we all know about mascara fibers and a lot of people dislike them because they fall down. And not just during application, which you can flick away, but during the day they fall down. Now there's a way to get around that, and I don't have very good eyelashes at all. They're pretty shocking. And oftentimes with fake lashes, you need a lot of skill and a degree in it in order to get them on beautifully. I haven't got that, but if you're blessed with amazing lashes, this tutorial is not for you. Hate those people. However, if you're like me or other people with small, short lashes that aren't full or thick, this is a tutorial for you. You're going to need three things. You're going to need either a regular mascara that's non-waterproof, mascara fibers, and then a mascara topper that turns your mascara into a waterproof one. Now, NYX do one, it's really inexpensive. If you don't have that, then you need a waterproof mascara. It doesn't work otherwise if you just use the waterproof as well, but just follow this technique. So mascara, fibers, and a topper or a waterproof mascara. So let's make a start. First thing you're going to do is use your regular mascara, and you're going to apply this to the lashes and apply it in a zigzag motion because you want to build thickness first. Now I've got this habit. Now first of all, the mirror is about a mile away from me, so oftentimes it's quite difficult for me to do this because I'm going to poke myself in the eye. So I'm going to see if I can bring it forward. That's made absolutely zero difference. So apply mascara, wiggle, and try and get a lot of product onto the lashes. Don't worry if it gets clumpy. Now you want to use your fibers. So just apply the fibers to the lashes in a wiggle and pull up, and a wiggle and pull up. And don't worry if it looks a little bit frightening or they start to drop because we can knock them down. Now you want to use your regular mascara again. So you can see that, you know, these fibers work really, really well. So now you're attaching them to the mascara. You're going to repeat this process one more time. Just get rid of all that nonsense on the back of my hand. So again, attach them. And you can just apply it to the ends, but I like to sort of create a bit of a thicker base. Now you're going to move on. See how big the lashes look. They're so much better. Now you're going to apply your waterproof mascara, but preferably a topper. This will seal them in and you're done. So let's get on to it. Do you know, I can apply mascara to somebody else, but to myself, I find it quite a frightening process. I'm just saying, it's not my favorite thing to do. And I've managed to get it on my lower lashes. Yay. Now, before we end this tutorial, look at that. That there that I'm just tickling, that's called a hateful eyelash. Now you may have one. It's where all the others look beautiful, but there's one eyelash. Oh my God, I'm going to sneeze. It's gone, no. Oh, excuse me. I'm going to leave that in. There's always one that hangs down. There it is. It's a hateful eyelash. I'm going to speak badly to it in a minute. Badly. But you can see that it's made a tremendous difference. The lashes are open. They look really, really thick. In fact, you can actually go in one more time if you really want to look mental. And sometimes I do. I mean, I've got to go and get petrol in a minute. So I might just go like this because I'm crazy like that. Crazy. So one more coat. This is the waterproof. Really seal them in, but it really works better with a topper. I can't find mine. And just trying to, oh, hang on. Just trying to give you a bit of a closer look so you can just see the, you know, how long they look. I mean, they look really, really long, and I do not have long lashes. Be free, fall off. I might cut it off. You get the gist. This is how to do it. You get the long lash effect They're not going to drop down, especially with the topper, and they just look absolutely splendid. That's it. Video done. Long lashes. See you next time. Bye-bye.